doing things to keep her longer. Sticking together forever, watch it grow stronger. That's the way it has to be, everything proper, keeping it always true. And no one knows why I'm into you. Cause you'll never know what it's like to walk in our shoes. And no one knows the things we've been through, yeah. Can never measure up to half of what I put you through.